Hey guys, this is Chris, and today we're going over the new Hubsan relay. It's the HT005. They went with the same model number as the original one with internal antennas. Uh, Basically, it's just a Wi-Fi repeater with its own Wi-Fi address for extended range when flying, say, the H501A. And when you buy the H501A, just the standard base model, this is what you get with it. You get this relay. And this one here is currently still the one they're selling with the internal antennas. And soon, when you buy a H501A standard base model, this is the one that you're going to get with the external antennas. So a little closer look at it. It's really no different at all. All they've done is just added a little bit of reinforcement into the mold when they manufacture it, so it supports the antennas better, and you have nice white Wi-Fi antennas. Everything else is exactly the same. Holds up to like a iPhone 7 or 8 Plus and your larger Samsung devices. And what I do for a tablet is I put a block of wood in there, just a little square block, put it in there. It's got Velcro on it, and on the back of my tablet I have Velcro, and I attach it to the back of my tablet at the top back of my tablet, and it works very good for that. Testing this, I've been testing it quite a bit. Just testing it with the H501M, it works very well. I have not done a range test on that yet, but I have on the H501A, which is what we're talking about today. And with the original HT, so many new models to remember, HT005, you have 400 meters max that I was able to get. And with this, I was just about able to get 600 meters. So this is very close to the new transmitter. With the new transmitter, with the built-in Wi-Fi relay, I was close to 600 meters on that as well. So big improvement with this, because external antennas with your device attached, so far I have not experienced any interference whatsoever. This with the internal antennas, many of you know who already have this, that it does cause interference having your device attached to it. It works fine if you take it and just set it down on the ground or hold it in your other hand, or which is hard to do when you're flying, but you know what I mean. Keep it away from the device. It works better. But as soon as you attach your device, you get interference. So that is the new HT005. Take a look inside. I'll show you the original one. And what you have is your left and right built-in antennas, and the pigtails coming from them attached to the board. And on the new one, pretty much the same board. There just seems to be a jumper here. I haven't really checked into what that jumper does yet. Some of the pieces on the board are slightly different than what's on the other one, but essentially it's the exact same board, same battery, little LiPo in the back there. That battery lasts forever. You can charge it, use this relay. You won't charge that battery for a while. And then as you see from the antennas, you got the pigtails going attached to where the internals were. So there is some reinforcement here like I showed you, and then some little gutters here that hold the nut from spinning loose. So that's pretty much it. Really not much to show on it. I'm not gonna bind or hook up to the H501A and connect to the Wi-Fi or anything. Pretty much anybody watching this video already has this version, so I'm just showing you the new version. There's plenty of videos out there how to connect to it, and it's very simple. But just wanted to show you the new HT005. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll check you out soon.